Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Raiders Playtest gamepad or controller not working on PC. So let's go through it. The first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC once. After restarting, check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller driver. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. After that, go below. Here you have to expand human interface devices and select your controller. After selecting it, right click on it and click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search if there is any update available for the drivers, and after updating your controller drivers, now check if the issue is fixed or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller. Here you have to select enable Steam input, then check if controller is working or not. If not, again come back and select disable Steam input, and then try to check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, open Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, check if controller or gamepad is working. Next is to check for game updates. So make sure your game is updated and not running on outdated version. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working. So where you can see the play button, here there will be an update option if any update is there. Simply update your game, and after that check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates, and this will check if any update is available. And after updating your Windows, check if the issue is fixed. Next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices, and here your controller will be added. You have to simply click on 3-dot icon and click on remove device. After removing the device, now restart your PC. After restarting, again come back, and here you have to click on add device, then click on here and make sure you add your controller, and after adding it, now check if it is working or not. If not, next is to launch Steam in big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam. Here you can see big picture mode. Simply click on it. Now after it opens, here you have to select your game and try to play it. If it's playing, then well and good. You simply need to click on Steam option over here, then click on power, then select exit big picture mode, and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, go through the link I have already provided in the description, or you can also simply search for DS4 Windows tool on your browser. Now after the website opens, click on download option, and after downloading, here this interface will open. Here you have to go below and select, here you have to download the DS4 Windows tool, and after downloading DS4 Windows tool, now connect your controller and update it. After updating, now launch Raiders Playtest game and check for the error if it is resolved or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Raiders Playtest gamepad or controller not working. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.